which we apply whenever the regular methods are not applicable. Means all 5 methods are not applicable. Q of x Q of x is not in the form of our regular methods. Okay, then we'll go for this method. Okay. So in this method, okay, we'll follow some provisor. Okay, we'll follow for some provisor for second order. Okay, like adamotundandi. So like q of x, if e power ax, okay, then we'll apply method 1 by substituting d equal to a. Q of x sin ax or cos ax, okay, or cos ax, will go for d square equal to minus a square. And q of x is x power n, will follow the formulas. If q of x is e power ax into v, then we'll move e power x to be front. And if q of x is x into v, then we'll go by formula method. Okay. So these are all 5 methods to find the particular integral we have. Suppose q of x is not in these 5 methods, then we'll go by general method. But in case of general method, it takes large time. It takes a large time to evaluate the integral. Some of the times we are unable to evaluate integrals. Okay, because of in case of 1 by d minus alpha into f of x, you know it e power alpha x into integral q of x, sorry, f of x into e power minus alpha x into dx, right? E power minus alpha x into dx. Okay, so in this case, we need to evaluate this integral. Suppose if we are unable to evaluate this kind of integrals, okay, if we are unable to evaluate this kind of integrals, then it's not easy to find this. Okay, that time you go by methods of variation of parameters. Okay, so we'll go by another method, or it takes a large time. It takes some large time to evaluate the evaluation of these integrals, or you know it the denominator having like the product of linear factors like d minus alpha 1 into d minus alpha 2 into and so on, d minus alpha n. Okay, in that case we need to find the partial fractions of this. For each time we have to find applying this formula the integrals. Okay, so that kind of ways we can evaluate, but that takes some large amount of time. So in that cases, we go by methods of variation of parameters. And this method, you keep in mind that this method, we can also apply this, all 5 methods also be there. Okay, this method also you can apply. Okay, these 5 methods also be there. Okay. Yeah, so so in case of here, in case of methods of variation of parameters, suppose they mentioned that solve by methods of variation of parameters, you should go by this process only. You should go by this process only. If this kind of 5 also, okay, for this 5 also, if they mentioned in okay exam solve by methods of variation of parameters, then you should go by this procedure only. Okay. Yeah, here in case of this, we'll follow some procedure. I'll explain for second order. I would like to give for second order. First, we'll go for second order. Second order, okay. Suppose the given differential equation as non-homogeneous linear as in the form of a naught d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2y equal to q of x. Okay, suppose the given differential equation is in the form of like this. Suppose the given differential equation is in the form of like this. Okay, so we'll follow some procedure. Okay, so here in first step one, we should express the given differential equation is in the form of d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y equal to r of x. Okay, should express the given differential equation. Okay, means the coefficient of highest order always be 1. Okay, that is first step. The coefficient of highest order is always, okay, always be 1. Okay, that is first step. Now coming to step 2, okay, finding CF. So you know that how to find CF, okay? Finding CF, okay? So you know it how to find the CF by considering f of d into y equal to 0. Okay, you know it how to find, right? Now coming to step 3, compare CF with compare CF with okay, CF with CF equal to C1 u of x plus C2 v of x. So you get CF based on the given DE, based on the given DE. Okay, of course, this is second order. That's why you will get only C1, C2, C1 plus something into C1 into something plus C2 into something. Okay, you should compare. You should compare CF with you should compare CF with C1 U of X plus C2 U. Okay, by comparing this, you will get U and V. By comparing like this, you will get U and V. Okay, now step 4. Step 4. So we'll get CF. Now we need a PI, right? We need PI. Okay. So for that PI, assume PI as A into U of X plus B into V of X. Assume I assume that PI as A into U of X plus B into V of X. Okay. So what is A here is okay. What is A here is okay. A is integral minus V into R by Lagrangian of U comma V into dx. R is this. Okay. Lagrangian of U comma V, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay. And U into R by Lagrangian of U comma V dx. Okay. Where Lagrangian is this is called Lagrangian. Lagrangian of U comma V is U V U dash V dash determinant. The determinant of U V U dash and V dash. Okay. Lagrangian of U comma V is nothing but determinant of U V U dash and V dash. Okay. So once you get A and B using these formulas, by substituting A, B, you will get PI. Step 5, by substituting A and B in PI, we will get PI. Okay. Now step 6. The general solution is y equal to CF plus PI. CF is C1 U of X plus C2 V of X. PI is A into U of X plus B into V of X. Means by substituting these values, we will get. Okay. By substituting these values, we will get. So this is the procedure we follow in case of methods of variation of parameters. Okay. So first step is, so for second order, we'll go for second order. Okay. So generally the second order non-homogeneous linear equation is in the form of like this. Okay. In that first step is express the given DE in the form of like this. Okay. So here P of X is coefficient of this, Q of X is coefficient of Y, R of X is RHS. Okay. Now step 2, find CF. Step 2 is find CF. Okay. Find CF. You know it how to find CF, right? You know it. Okay. So now step 3, comparing CF with C1 U of X plus C2 V of X. So you should compare CF with C1 U of X C2 V of x. Okay, then you will get U and V. Then you will get U and V. Okay, so once you get U and V, then you'll go for PI. PI you should assume okay, as A into U of x plus B into V of x. Okay, A into U of x plus B into V of x. Okay, where AB as A is nothing but minus V into R by Rangjin of U comma V into dx. B is U into R by Rangjin of U comma V into dx. So the Rangjin is, what is Rangjin here is determinant of U, V, U dash and V dash. Okay, by substituting all these values and integrating this, here this step is important. This step is very important. Okay, step 4. You should find AB values. Okay. So once you get AB values, you replace here AB, that will give PI. So once you get PI, CF, CF plus PI gives general solution. So that's the procedure. That's the procedure we should follow. Okay. So write down. So if they mentioned in the exam point of view, if they mentioned solve by methods of variation of parameters, you should definitely go with this method. Or else already told you that whenever the R of x, like RH is not in the form of our regular 5 methods, then we'll go by general method or this method, whatever you like. Okay, or this method. Okay. Solve d square plus a square into y equal to tan ax. You know it, tan is not in our regular 5 methods, right? Tan is not in our regular 5 methods, so we should go by this method. So okay, write down. So what is our first step? Step 1 is coefficient of highest order is always be 1. Okay, so step 1, that is already in the form of like that. Step 1, d square plus a square into y equal to tan x. The coefficient of d square is 1, no need to worry. Step 2, finding CF. So what is CF, anyone? Finding CF. What is CF, anyone?
Plus or minus A.
CF I am asking.
C1 cos AX plus C2 sin AX.
The auxiliary equation is m square plus a square equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus a. Therefore, CF is C1 cos AX, C2 sin AX. Okay, that is step 2. What is step 3? Anyone? What is step 3? Compare CF with
C1 UX
C1 U of
plus
x plus C2 V of x. Okay, compare CF equal to C1 U of x plus C2 V of x. So therefore, what is U of x?
cos AX.
What is V of x? Sin AX. Okay. What is step 4? Step 4 is very important. Let or assume Pi equal to A into U of x plus V into B into V of x. B into V of x, right? We should assume Pi as A into U of x plus B into V of x. Okay. B into V of x. Okay. So what is A here? Integral minus V into R by Rangjin of U comma V into dx. So what is Rangjin of U comma V? Anyone? What is Rangjin of U comma V? That is nothing but U determinant of u, v, u dash and v dash. So that nothing but unt cos ax, vnt sin ax. Derivative of cos is minus sin ax into a. Derivative of sin is cos ax into a. This is a into cos square x, cos square ax plus a into sin square ax, minus of minus. That will be a, right? So the Wronskian is a, okay? The Wronskian is a. Then what is a? Capital A now. Minus v ఏంటి మనకు sin ax. అవునా? r ఏంటి మనకు? What is r? Anyone?
tan ax, sir.
Very good. Wronskian is a. Wronskian is a. So what is sin into tan? What is sin into tan? Sin square ax by cos ax. So దీన్ని ఎలా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయాలి? Anyone? One by cos is secant. Cos by cos is cos. Cos square by cos is cos. What is integral secant x? Integral secant x is ln mod secant plus tan x. Minus 1 by a integral cos x is sin a. Minus 1 by a square ln mod minus of minus plus 1 by a square sin a. So this is my a of x. This is my a. A or a of x, both are same. Now b, what is b? U into r by Wronskian of u comma b to dx. unt cos ax, rnt tan ax by a. Cos into tan. Cos into tan, sin, right? Integral sin is this will be minus 1 by a square cos ax. So therefore pi is a into u of x, b into v of x. Replace a into u of x, a into u of x plus b into v of x. Replace final game మిగిలింది చెప్పండి. What is pi? Anyone? What is pi? Anyone? This is a into u of x. U is nothing but cos ax. B, what is b? Minus 1 by a square cos ax into sin a. V of x is sin ax. So therefore pi is This is my PI. Anyone? Antena? So step 5 ఇది, step 6. This is my step 5 by replacing AB values. Okay. Step 6 is general solution is y equal to CF plus PI. CF అంటే ఏంటి రాయండి, PI అంటే ఏంటి రాయండి. సో అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయండి. సాల్వ్ బై మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ ఆఫ్ పారామీటర్స్. D square minus 3D plus 2 into y equal to cos of e power minus x. Solve by methods of variation of parameters of d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to cos of e power minus x. Askunaramma? Any doubts, please? Any doubts unte adagachu, please. So step one, we should write in general standard form. Means that quotient of highest order is always 1. Highest derivative is always 1. It's already in the same form. Okay. So step 2 is finding CF. Compare step 3, compare CF with C1 U of x plus C2 V of x. Now finding PI or assuming PI as A into U of x plus B into V of x. So where A is minus integral minus PR by Wrongian of U comma B dx and B is integral U into R by Wrongian of U comma V into dx. So Wrongian A, B values you should find and replacing here you will get PI. Once you get PI, then CF plus PI gives solution. Any doubts, please? Any doubts you have, you can ask, please. So it is also in standard form. So step 1 is clear. So step 2, finding CF. So what is CF, anyone? What is
C1 e
CF?
power x plus C2 e power 2x, sir.
Yeah. Already previous class lo chesam. So చూడండి, అవునా? So step 3, compare CF with C1 U of x plus C2 V of x. So therefore, what is U of x? E power x. What is V of x? E power 2x. Step 4, assume PI assume pi is a into u of x plus b into v of x. To find ab, we need wrong chain. To find ab, we need wrong chain. Wrong chain of u comma b. U, v, u dash, v dash. E power x, e power 2x. E power x to e power 2. Multiply చేస్తామా e power x into 2 into e power 2x. A equal to minus u into r by wrong chain of u comma b dx. u అంటే e of x. What is r of x? Cos of e power minus x by e power 3x dx.
సార్ ఏకి మైనస్ విఆర్ కదండి సార్.
మైనస్ కదమ్మా ఇది. ఓకే
విఆర్
నా
సార్ మీరు
సారీ
ప్లీజ్
e power 2x. So this is e power minus x, right? Okay, thank you. Okay. సో దీన్ని మనం డైరెక్ట్గా ఇంటిగ్రేట్ చేయలేము, అందుకని ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ని టీ అనుకుంటే మైనస్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు dt. ఓకేనా? సో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తేనమ్మా మైనస్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్, ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ is minus dt cos t minus dt. Minus of minus plus, integral cos is sin t. Sin of e power minus x. Sin of e power minus x. Next we go for b. రాసుకున్నారా? b అమ్మా, b కనుక్కోండి. Integral u into r by wrong chain of u comma v dx. What is u? E power x. R is cos of e power minus x by e power 3x dx. E power minus 2x cos of e power minus x dx. E power minus x ని t అనుకుంటే అమ్మా మైనస్ e power minus x dt అవుతుంది. E power minus x dx ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ dt అవుతుంది. E power minus 2x can be written as e power minus x into e power minus x. ఓకే, e power minus x dx ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ dt పెడదాం. ఓకే, e power minus x ప్లస్ లో t పెడదాం. t into cos t minus dt. t into cos t ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? t cos t 1 sin t 0 minus cos t plus minus. So that will be t sin t plus cos t. అంతేనా? So this is minus of t అంటే e power minus x, sin of e power minus x plus cos of e power minus x. So these are all AB values. Mainly AB values very important. Okay, AB values are very important. ఓకేనా? రాసుకున్నారా? So therefore PI is step 6. Step 5. Step 5. Therefore PI equal to A into U of X, B into V of X. What is A? A ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు sin of e power minus x. Sin of e power minus x. U ఎంత వచ్చింది? U అంటే e power x అవునా? B minus e power minus x sin e power minus x minus e power minus x sin e power minus x plus minus cos of e power minus x. V అంటే e power 2x. I think these both are cancelled, right? Minus e power 2x into cos of e power minus x. అంతేనా? PI అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step 6. General solution is y equal to CF plus B. CF అంటే ఏంటి రాయండి, PI అంటే ఏంటి? అయిపోయిందా? సో write down ప్రాబ్లం రాసుకోండి. write down if y equal to x and if y equal to x and y equal to x into e power 2x are linearly independent solutions of homogeneous equation corresponding to x square d square y by dx square minus 2x into 1 plus x dy by dx plus 2 into x plus 1 into y equal to x cube. Then solve this by using of methods of variation of parameters. Then solve using of methods of variation of parameters. So అంటే ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే given that what say that y equal to x and y equal to x into e power 2x are linearly independent solutions of homogeneous part of this అంటే f of d into y equal to 0. This f of d into y equal to 0. Okay na? Corresponding to this homogeneous part. Okay. So means that is we can write y equal to c1x. So generally okay. So if y1 y2 are y1 and y2 are already మీకు చెప్పాను, but anyway I'll recall it. y1 y2 are any two solutions okay, then their linear combination is also a solution. Okay, then their linear combination, okay, like c1 y1 plus c2 y2 is also a solution. Okay, y1 y2 are any two solutions, okay, are n solutions, then the linear combination is also a solution of given differential equation. Solutions చెప్తున్నప్పుడు చెప్పాను ఈ point. Okay, no problem. So if y1 is x, y2 is x into e power 2x are any two solutions, then y equal to c1x plus c2x e power 2x is also a solution of f of d into y equal to 0. Okay, so therefore CF is c1x plus c2x e power 2x. Okay. So step 2 is over. Our step 2 is over. CF or direct ichchesadamma. Now step 3. Step 3 is what? Step 3 is what? Compare CF with C1 u of x plus C2 v of x. C1 u of x plus C2 v of x. So therefore, what is u of x? X. What is v of x? X into e power 2x. Okay. Now what is our step 4? What is our step 4? Assume pi is C1, sorry, a into u of x plus b into v of x. Okay, a into u of x plus b into v of x. Okay. So what is wrong in here? Wrong in of u comma v comma u v u dash v dash u n t e power x. Sorry, x u x x into e power 2x. Derivative is 1 e power 2x plus 2x e power 2x. Correct enough? By UV rule, amma, UV rule. Okay. Derivative of x is 1 e power 2x alage unchanu. X alage unchanu, e power 2x derivative is 2 into e power 2x. So by determinant of this, AD minus BC, tells kada determinant, okay. X into e power 2x plus 2x square e power 2x minus x into e power 2x. 2x square e power 2x. Okay, now. So A is integral minus v into r by wrong chain of u comma v dx. So what is v? V ante x into e power 2x. R ante? What is r here? X cube. Okay, x cancel అవుతుంది. X square dx. Ma?
Coefficient of d square y by dx square ది రన్ చేయాలి కదా సార్.
అవునమ్మా అవునమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ 1 చేయలేదు మనం. స్టెప్ 1 రాసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ. d square y by dx square minus 2 1 plus x by x dy by dx 2 into x plus 1 by x square y equal to x. Okay, therefore r of x is x. R of x is x. Step 1 చెప్పలేదు, sorry. So r of x is x అమ్మ. R of x x అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఇదంతా పోతుంది. So 1 dx 1 dx is x. Byte 1 by 2 is there. Byte minus x byte. That is minus x byte. What is B now? What is B? U ఏంటి x కదా, R ఏంటి x, 2x square e power 2x. X gets cancel, 1 by 2 e power minus 2x dx. E power minus 2x by minus 2. E power minus 2x by minus 4. So therefore Pi is A into U of x, B into E of x. What is A? Minus x by 2. U of x ఏంటి? x కదా. B ఏంటి? E power minus 2x by 4. V of x ఏంటి? V ఏంటమ్మా? x into e power 2x.
into E.
Okay, fine. Minus x square by 2 minus x by 4. So this is my CF. Sorry, Pi, right? This is my Pi. Step 6. General solution is y equal to CF plus Pi. General solution is y equal to CF plus Pi. CF అంటే ఏంటో రీప్లేస్ చేయండి, Pi అంటే ఏంటో రీప్లేస్. అయిపోయిందా? రాసుకున్నారా? Yes, I'll go for next one. Solve y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to e power x log x. E power x log x. Find CF. Okay, step 1 is clear. So y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to e power x log x. So step 2, finding CF. So what is CF, anyone?
Just C1 cos root 2x plus C2 sin root 2x.
C1 cos. What are the roots, anyone?
C1 plus C2
Plus
x
or minus
e
root 2.
power x, sir.
C1
One
plus
comma
C2x into e power of x, sir.
Yeah, very good. 1 comma 1 amma roots. What is auxiliary equation? M square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. M minus 1 whole square equal to 0. M equal to 1 comma 1. Okay. So that is C1 e power x plus C2 x e power x. Okay. So that is CF. Step 3. Compare CF with CF equal to C1 u of x plus C2 u of x. So therefore, v of x is x e power x. Next step 4. Raskunara. Step 4. Step 4 amma. Assume pi is what is that? A into u of x plus b into v of x. So what is A? Before that, we need Wronskian. Wronskian of u comma v. U, v, u dash, v dash. U into e power x, x e power x, power x plus x e power x. E power 2x plus x e power 2x minus x e power 2x. E power 2x, right? A is minus VR by Wronskian of u comma v. Dx. V and v into x e power x, right? R and e power x log x. So what is integral x log x? Anyone? What is integral x log x? Anyone? చేయలేదా ఒకరు కూడా? What is f here? X log x అమ్మా. X log x లో f ఏంటి g ఏంటి? Anyone?
One and log x.
వన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా? x ఇది. Integral f g dx is f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx whole dx. X log x అంటే f ఇది g. Log x integral x dx. F dash is 1 by x integral x dx. whole dx. Log x into x square by 2, 1 by x into x square by 2. F into G కి హైలైట్ ప్రకారం చేస్తారని చెప్పాను. నేను మాలు చెప్పిన అంతే, మనం చదవం. Log x into x square by 2 minus x square by 4. Now we go for B. U into R by Wronxian. U అంటే 4x. This is e power x log x by Wronxian ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? E power 2x. So what is integral log x? Anyone? What is integral log x?
X log x minus x.
ఇక్కడన్నా ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చాను, సంతోషం. ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 into log x అనుకోవాలమ్మా. అప్పుడు కూడా f log x అవుతుంది, g 1 అవుతుంది. Go through this formula you will get. At least ఒకటి ఇచ్చాడు, fine, సంతోషం. So therefore step 5, pi equal to a into u of x, b into v of x. a అంటే minus log x into x square by 2 minus of minus x square by 4. u of x అంటే e power x. b అంటే x log x minus x e power x. Simplify it, maybe cancel పోవు కానీ maybe simplification will come. Okay, simplify it, then go for step 6. General solution is CF plus PI. Replace that. అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు these problems write on your own. లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాను, ఒకరు కూడా చేయలేదు. ఒకరు కూడా కనీసం సబ్మిట్ చేయలేదు. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై. These are all try on your own, okay, by using of methods of variation of parameters. These are very important. Okay.